Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Draftsight tutorials how to draw dot line. Okay, for example, I will create line with a line command and I will set for length into 100 like this. Now if you want to create dot line with this line object, you can choose from line type tools. You can type line type, press enter, and then click load button. Now you can search for dot lines. So this is for the example. We use this option. Click OK and then OK again. After it, select the line object and then go to Properties tab. In here you can change for by layer in it into dot. So the line will be automatically changed into dot lines. If you want to change scale, you can select again and then click at this option to change scale like into 10, and the object will be automatically change the scale. Okay, that's it for basic Draftsight tutorials how to draw dot lines. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.